So I think the objective of this competition was really to get to know for chef like a premium range called Temana, and showing as well how lamb can be versatile. Just really kind of like chef can come up with innovative dishes. So it's really showing how lamb can be really innovative, creative and versatile. We had a super lineup of chefs, even like during the voting process we had 16 contestants coming from really high-end restaurants, really willing to be part of it, not necessarily knowing us as a company and as a supplier. So it was really a fantastic opportunity for us to really get to the door to these people and just showing our premium range.
So I randomly saw the competition in the staff canteen. I decided to enter. I like to cook lamb. I have a strong lamb dish, so I can make it a bit better. So that's why I entered. And obviously I wanted to go to New Zealand, obviously.
What's been impressive with the competitors today is their different choice of taste, flavour and techniques. As chairman of the judges today, I'm looking at obviously taste and flavours, but I'm looking at a complete dish. So I'm looking for starch, protein and vegetables, a little bit of sauce to complement it, hot plate, hot food, if it's meant to be hot.
It was like fantastic. It really kind of like show versatility again. They all get different styles coming from different backgrounds. So having like with the same cuts coming up with different kind of flavors, that was fantastic. And that's what we want to show for this kind of competition.
So yeah, it's the first time I tried Temana lamb. Obviously a new breed, I guess. So well, I thought that it was very nice, it was very tender, all the marbling. I read the story about it, how they feed it and everything, and how it's a free range. So it was nice, it was tender, but the color was different, so it was pretty nice. It was very good.
I'm fortunate I've used Temana lamb before in college. I've used it in various different ways. It's very versatile, doesn't contain a lot of fat, and has an immense amount of flavour.
So the title of the dish, it was a shredded braised lamb and a lamb fillet with miso, aubergine, and smoked aubergine puree, and different types of onions.
Basically, John's dish was taste and flavours. Absolutely nailed it. Really, really good effort. From the aubergine with the miso and the lamb, excellent, came through.
So John's dish is really full of flavor. It was really like a bit different from the others, but probably because he's like coming from his restaurant. I mean, his restaurant is a Greek restaurant, so it kind of plays with probably more flavors. It was very simple dish, but really like I think the taste came up more with the others, but the other were as well very great as well.
Well, to win this competition, it's something excited, something motivated. I really wanted to go to New Zealand, so I think that's a good one. And apart from that, it was a nice experience. Nice to meet the guys who were competing, and everything was pretty cool.
The competition has great legs, has a great product to use. It can only get better and better through the years. As we move forward, we'll tweak various bits of it, etc.
Because I mean, we had great support from the staff canteen as well. So definitely it needs to be on the agenda for 2019.